Okay, alright. You're seeing me in my room. I was just sitting and I got a few thoughts in my mind that today is Tuesday, and let me start something new in my channel along with the study that is called as Tuesday Truthful Talks. So I have decided myself to do something called as Tuesday Truthful Talks, and why it was coming in my mind, because I am a person who wanted myself to keep always motivated and keep my surrounding with a positive vibe. Even I try to motivate people who are finding themselves little depressed, whatsoever it is. I can't handle that sad, negative environment around me. So I thought I'll just post the same thing in my channel as well. So I welcome you all. You all know me. You're being seeing me since from long time. So this is Neha, as you all know, and this is my channel, Her Naam Hai Edu Zone. Today I'm not here to teach you something particularly, but then I hope you will not go from here without getting something. So the one thing what I wanted to say is that I'll start with the code. Okay, I am just getting a click of some code which I like to share it to you. So I'll be very truthful. I'll be liking to have a very good conversation. Please do comment below if you have liked it and if you want me to continue with this in a longer duration. So never stop something, giving best in it only because you're not getting credit of it. Never stop doing something, giving best of yours in that only because you're not getting credit of it. So credits is not the major thing. The only thing is you need to have self-satisfaction. So never do something only to get the credit. That is one thing I understood today. So I thought of sharing it to you as well. Today I found some time, and I am very much interested to share those things to you people also. I hope this journey will be a long journey called as Tuesday Truthful Talks. I'm going to start the series called as Tuesday Truthful Talks, which will be motivation things for you. Why? Because see, in any field you are, maybe you're working in some company, or maybe you're preparing for some examination, whatsoever it is. Okay, maybe you're a housewife, whatsoever it is. To you to go on with that routine, you wanted to keep yourself motivated and you wanted to keep yourself with a positive attitude. I think by listening me every Tuesday with a truthful talk, I hope you will figure it out a very good positive mode around you. So without wasting much time, see, I'll be going to share two incidents to you, two small stories to you, and just say me that what did you understand from that, like what did you understand, what I wanted to transfer the message to you people. All right, yeah. So the first thing, okay, there was a father in a town, and he was having his son along with him, and his son wasn't having mother, and he was motherless, and the father was looking after that son. All right, so what happened? One fine day, father started realizing that his son is going out of temper, and he is getting annoyed every now and then. So father decided to teach few lessons to son through some sort of practical things. So what did father do? Father bought a bunch of nails, okay, which you used to hammer on the wall, right? So that nails, he bought it from the market, and then he just kept in the hands of son. Okay, so he just kept in the hands of son the nails, and asked, my dear son, you get temper very easily, right? So do one thing, whenever you get temper, hammer one nail to the wall. Okay, whenever you get temper, hammer the nail to the wall, so that you remove that anger and temper. Okay, so son was a little confused, but then he agreed, and then he started doing that. So after few days he kept doing on and then it was very difficult for him whenever he was angry to hammer the nail on the wall. But then gradually the hammering of the nails on the wall kept on decreasing. Okay, so what did he do? One fine day he realized, yeah, my hammering on the wall is decreasing, and I wanted no more to do it. That means I wanted no more to become a tempered person. So he went near father and said, father, I realized, and I don't want it to be anymore a tempered person, and look, from past 2 to 3 days I have never hammered even single nail on it. So father was happy, and then what did he do? He said, like, no son, this was not the end. This was not the end. The procedure is still there. You know what is the procedure? The procedure further was, remove that nails whatever you have hammered on the wall. Is that easy? Yeah, you can do it. Why not? You can remove the nails back from the wall. But is that easy? So but then son agreed it, yeah, because he hammered it, right? So obviously he wanted to agree that. So he agreed, and then he started removing the nails out of the wall which he had hammered, and he understood that he is maintaining it. He is maintaining his temper, he is controlling it. He stopped it, but then he is maintaining also. And he realized that how hard it is to remove such kind of nails which he had hammered in anger. So he somehow managed to remove all the hammers from the wall. So he went near the father and said, father, you know what, I removed all the nails from the wall as you said. So son holded his hand and took him to the wall and said, are you seeing the holes on the wall? These holes are made only because of your hammering and removing it again. So my dear friends, what I wanted to say is that whatever you do in short temper, or whatever you do in huge short angriness, and you regret later on that why did I do, is not the solution. Why? Because whatever you do in the short temper mode or in angriness mode, the impact on the person will be there. No matter you ask sorry for 100 of times, you will leave an impact on it. And see, as the holes in the wall, even if you remove it back, some holes, some scars will be there. Today I wanted to say only that this Tuesday, don't cut your nose in angriness, you can't get it back. So don't do something in angriness, you can't get it back. Be little calm, become little calm, hold yourself. See, whenever I become angry, like when I get temper, what I do, I just keep calm. I don't speak to anyone, or else I cry myself, or else I listen some music. So figure it out, what is the solution for your temper to manage by yourself and not harming anyone. Okay, don't harm anyone in to only make your temperness to calm, and that will leave a scar on the hearts of the people. So this was the thing today I wanted to share. So never do something in angriness or temper which you can't fix it back. It's like it's like a small what is that, glass bowl, where even if you put it down, it will break, but you can fix it again. After fixing, you will figure it out, the scars on it. So that was the thing. That was my heart talk and a truthful talk to you people. And how many ever whoever is watching me, if you have ever done something in angriness and you have regretted a lot later on, and you couldn't do anything about it, just comment below and say it to me. So this is your Neha, and I'll be meeting in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.